I'm so hungry. What's happening, numbskulls? This is Dissector from Ghoul, and today we're living high on the hog. By which I mean we're going to be cooking pork ribs. You know, I prefer long pig when I can get it, but sometimes you just have to make do with a regular pig. That reminds me of a joke. Would you guys like to hear a joke? Yeah. What's the difference between digestor and a flying pig? The letter F! Yeah, I didn't understand it the first time either, but if you think about it, you know, it'll come to you. Anyway, here's what you'll need. Okay, numbskulls, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to pat your ribs nice and dry so you'll be able to take your dry rub, which we're going to make from scratch, using things that everybody's going to have around the house. This guy, whoever's apartment this is, seems to have all kinds of things that I need. Go into the bathroom and get the collection of whatever pills you can find. It looks like some kind of stomach pills, perhaps St. John's wort, I don't actually know. I'm going to do your mortar and pestle here. So just deal with that. Fast. You might have to put your back into this, but it's okay if you do, you know. I mean, this pig put his back into this meal as well, right? And you'll get something that looks like this. It's mostly ibuprofen, I think, but it's fine either way. Now, what we're going to do is apply the rub, put it in the oven, and wait like 4 to 6 hours. While we're waiting for this in the oven, it's gonna take about 4 to 6 hours, depending on how much you have to drink. So keep in mind that this is a very high-calorie meal. I like to do a little bit of exercise to kind of keep the calories off. I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite kind of high-intensity workouts to kind of keep those calories off. You guys can be in fighting shape for when this pandemic ends. You get back out there. You can go kill humans of your own. We're going to make the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is very important to add that layer of flavor. It gives a lusciousness and add some moisture back after the low and slow method that we're going to be cooking it under. Witch hazel toner, some kind of antioxidant facial moisturizer, okay? A couple squirts of that. Antifungal spray is very important to keep your meat fresh. Flo can get some mucilage. I don't even know what that's for, but he's got it, so we'll put that in. Take a whisk. You got to make sure that all the ingredients come together. Oh, almost forgot. The most important thing. Add a dash of your favorite hella hot sauce. That's my recommendation. This guy, everyone in Pennsylvania has it, so it's a guarantee it's going to be in the house. And then you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, very nice. Alright, numbskulls, so here we have it. Pork ribs with a nice side of a swamp grass salad. You'll notice I put a couple of beetles in there that I found lying around as well. Stay tuned until the next time that I can catch something. And until then, remember, slaughter thy poser Bake at 350 for an hour and enjoy.